Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Osmo Mobile 7. In this video I'll show you trigger functions. In the beginning, take a look at the trigger of your device. Press once to activate or deactivate active track function. Press twice to recenter gimbal. Press 3 times to change gimbal position between frontal and normal. Press once, then press and hold to set fast tracking mode. Release to go back. Press and hold to enter lock mode. Release to disable it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.